Hey, if your garden tools are always leaning in the corner or poking holes in plastic, we got something for you. This week we are building an all-metal hoop house at the Bootstrap Farmer farm. End walls, especially on the north end, are a place where space is not often utilized. Introducing the DIY tool rack for hoop houses. We chose between the door and the spigot so we can hang different tools throughout the season. While you could put this on either end, if we put it on the south end, we run the risk of blocking sunlight from our plants. Here's how the setup works. Built to mount between end wall uprights or hoops, or between freestanding posts in a garden. The bottom bar keeps long handles from pressing into the greenhouse plastic and keeps tools off the ground and easy to see. Right now we have our planting and cultivating tools hanging, but you can change for any other equipment necessary. Here's what comes in the kit. Rail clamp halves with bolts, nuts and hardware, self-tapping screws, and silicone bolt caps. Here's how it works. It converts standard 1 3/8" top rail into a tool organizer. You have the option of purchasing your own hooks or hangers. Just note that if they stick much past the bar, they may interfere with the plastic and you may have to cover them with a separate piece of lock channel. Tools to have on hand: a metal saw, a drill and an 1 1/4" bit, a tape measure and a marker, a level, and an extra set of hands helps a lot. What you'll need to buy locally: one 10-foot piece of 1 3/8" top rail, optional second rail if building freestanding, and optional J-hooks for more flexibility. Now in under 2 minutes, I'll show you how to build this DIY tool rack. First, you'll pick the height you want your crossbar to be at, and then you'll measure between your 2 uprights, and then subtract 1 inch for clamp clearance. Then, cut 2 matching rails for top and bottom. Set your top bar at a comfortable grab height, and then the bottom bar 12 to 18 inches off the ground. Next, we're going to drill for hangers. For the tool hangers, find a spacing that will fit whatever tools you will be placing there. If you need to change them later, it might be a little bit harder once the plastic's on, so try and think about all the tools and activities you will be doing. It would be good to note to make sure that your rail clamp bolt is facing inward. Attach your rail clamp halves with self-tapping screws. Once you've done that, next, you want to angle the bolt slightly upward so tools do not slide off. Level everything up, then tighten it down. And here it is, and it pairs perfectly with the folding table we did last week. These projects help us utilize every square inch of a hoop house. So keep following along and ask any questions you may have. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week for the Trellis Kids.